In this video, we will learn how to install Avast Antivirus on Windows 10. So let's begin. So to install Avast Antivirus, first we need to download the installer. For that, just go and open your browser and make sure that you are connected with the internet. So once this is open, just go and type in here for Avast Antivirus download and hit enter. And here we are. Now just go and click on this link, that is avast.com/index. So once we are here, just scroll down below and here click on download, free download for PC. It would automatically detect whether you are on your PC or Mac, and it would automatically give the link here. So just go and click on free download, and once you are here, it will download the web installer for the Avast Antivirus. So just go and wait for a little bit. So here we are. Just go and click on download and open it. Allow the Avast Antivirus to start installing. So here we are. Now what would happen is it would start downloading the files of the Avast Antivirus from the internet through its web installer. It would take a bit of a time, so while it is starting, I would pause the video. I will be back when this start process has completed. So here we are. Here if you want to install the Avast secure browser, you can always install it, but I would not install that. That would be a headache to handle. So here you can also customize it, and if you do not want to install any of these things, you can uncheck this and click on install. For me, I would be going with the default version, that is installing all of these things. So once I click on the install, it would start downloading the files in the background, and you can use your computer while it is downloading. And once it is downloaded, it will automatically install it. So while it is downloading, I am pausing the video. I will be back when this download process has finished. So here we are. So it has successfully completed downloading and installing it. So in case if you want to see the progress, you can see the progress while it is installing by going to this icon. So in the process, it might ask you to continue and agree. Just go and click on continue and agree, and it might ask you for the first smart run. So you can do it as you want, or otherwise you can close it. So here we are. You are now protected, and you have successfully installed the Avast free antivirus on Windows. So hope it has helped you. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.